Department of Economic Development of Dubai, Sharjah and Ajman have announced that over 1,000 activities will be available for 100% ownership in the UAE. This is effective from 1st of June 2021. Hey everyone, before we move ahead, please click on the subscribe button to stay updated on our weekly business and finance related content, which is incredibly useful for business owners, CEOs, CFOs, entrepreneurs, and those who aspire to be one. Now let's get back to the video. Hey everyone, we have already discussed in our older videos regarding the new FDI law that's being passed in UAE. All those videos were with respect to 122 activities. However, now Dubai, Sharjah and Ajman have released a major update with 100% ownership. Department of Economic Development of Dubai, Sharjah and Ajman have announced that over 1,000 activities will be available for 100% ownership in the UAE. This is effective from 1st of June 2021. This is a welcome move from all of these Emirates. So this means that it is now possible to get 100% ownership for a foreign national in either of these three Emirates, which is Dubai, Sharjah and Ajman. In these 1,000 activities includes trading, manufacturing and even service related activities. Keep in mind, for service related activities, you would need to have a local service agent. The local service agent will have no ownership in the company, however. Another big news is that there is no additional capital requirement for any of these businesses. So this is not just an option for large companies. SMEs can also participate in this law. It is now possible to amend the ownership structure of your existing license to have just foreign owners. This would be just treated as a normal share transfer. Keep in mind, for such a case, you would obviously need to have the consent of the UAE national owner or the local sponsor. This makes investing in UAE much more attractive, and this will invite a lot of investments from other countries. This will also help boost the UAE economy. Hope this video gave you a better clarity on the 100% ownership options in UAE. If you would like to get a detailed list of activities, mention your contact details including your email address in the comment section below. Hey everyone, you've reached the end of this video. Thank you all for listening. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you'd like for us to talk about any specific topics, please do let us know in the comments below. Hope to see you in the next video.